Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And did you check my Instagram? Nos Earbuds. Yeah, probably not, because it's almost in Portuguese, but I would invite you to check a link down below and follow the Instagram. Although it's in Portuguese, I do publish a lot of content. I'm trying to publish a lot more, which will be able to be multi-language. Doesn't matter the language. So I've got a few users from this community there, and I would invite you to join as well. Now, that being said, we've got here the Nothing Here One earbuds. And spoiler alert or not, these are, in terms of the overall build quality, design and audio quality, the best so far that I've used in this price range. Now, there's something that we have in common with others that we have tested, which is the Pamo Z1, which is the volume are exactly the same. I don't see any difference in terms of volume. These are both really nice, but in terms of audio clarity, these are slightly better. So great option right over here if you are on the market for a earbud set with audio quality in mind, comfort and a lot of work in terms of design. Now, talking about the design, we have a really nice and interesting case which is transparent as a really bold design. Actually, the earbuds, we can see the circuits, which I really love. I think it's different, it's refreshing. The case has a button which we can use to pair it also, and we can use to reset as well. We have a USB Type-C that we can use for charge, and we can also charge via wireless if we want to, because the case accepts that, which is really awesome. In terms of the earbuds themselves, they are very comfortable, and one of the things that I do love on earbuds, and I use almost exclusive for that, is for sports, especially jogging, on my daily jogging sessions, which I've been doing for the past 2-3 weeks with the Nothing Here One, and I did share that video on Instagram a couple of weeks ago. Really happy with it. They are very light, we almost don't feel it on our ears. They are comfortable, doesn't hurt at all on 1 hour, 2 hour jogging session. They are waterproof with IPX4, so great. So my suggestion is, if you are looking for something that you can use on a meeting, because it has a nice battery that I will share with you in just a few moments, and also for sports, this is a great option. It has 3 modes: active noise cancelling, which we have seen in quite a few devices. It works really well. It also has the crystal clear, which is basically the pass-through. We can use them and we can hear the sounds that are outside. It does that by using the 3 microphones that it has built in to capture the sounds and push those sounds in, so that we have the perception of what it is around us. For example, if we are doing a jogging session or on a bike, then that would be great, because we can hear the traffic and people and so on and so forth. It also has the normal modes, but I don't see any advantage in using the normal mode. Battery wise, roughly 4 to 5 hours, depending if we use volume on a maximum, active noise cancelling or crystal clear. So expect about 4.5 hours. The case will charge the earbuds roughly 7 times, so 1 day per week. You don't have to worry about it for a full week. And it has a few details that are really nice as well. For example, when I put them out of my ear, they will pause automatically the music, which is something weird but really handy and nice. And at the beginning I thought, okay, I'm touching something right over here, but I wasn't, and even removing them really careful, they will pause the music, and that is just a really awesome feature. It also has another one, which is Find My Earbuds, which is not usual to find on this kind of gadgets, and if by some reason we lose them, I don't tend to do that. As soon as I finish my jogging session or something else, I just put them inside the case and that is it. But the truth is that we can find, they will start ringing, and that is just a nice thing. Now, it's a small detail, but in the overall experience, we find one detail here, one detail there, another detail here, one on the design, one on the functionality, one on here and there. And at the end of the day, we look at it and it is a really interesting and full of features product that when I checked for the price, it really surprised me because I thought that it would be more expensive, at least here where I live. I will try to leave a link down below so that you guys can check out the price, but I do believe that we will get more headphones than the price that we pay for it. And that is it. Hope that this video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. Signing out with these great earbuds right over here. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.